The Food and Drug Administration approved Biogen's BIIB Alzheimer's treatment, Aducanumab, on Monday, and Biogen stock rocketed to a record high. XAducanumab, now known as Aduhelm, is the first novel Alzheimer's treatment to gain approval in nearly 2 decades. It's also the first treatment that targets an underlying pathology of the disease. Other drugs treat the symptoms of the disease. But the approval is accelerated, meaning the FDA is requiring additional testing and can reverse its decision at any point. That's likely due to the controversial nature of Aduhelm. The FDA had already kicked the can down the road on it once. Further, experts don't agree on what causes the neurodegenerative disease, nor how to treat it. And some say Biogen's evidence is murky at best. The FDA acknowledged the heightened attention heading into its review. The agency said it used a fine-tooth comb to parse through the data which, it noted, are not straightforward. We understand that Aduhelm has garnered the attention of the press, the Alzheimer's patient community, our elected officials and other interested stakeholders, the FDA said in a news release. With a treatment for a serious, life-threatening disease in the balance, it makes sense that so many people were following the outcome of this review. On the stock market today, Biogen stock soared 38.3% to $395.85. Shares touched a record high at $468.55. Biogen Stock and AducanumabExperts don't agree on what causes Alzheimer's disease. Biogen's Aduhelm banks on the beta-amyloid theory, which suggests the buildup of toxic plaque in the brain is the culprit behind the neurodegenerative disease. Aducanumab works by removing those beta-amyloid plaques. By doing so, Biogen hopes to slow the cognitive decline for Alzheimer's patients. The FDA agreed with that logic, saying the removal of the built-up plaque is reasonably likely to predict important benefit to patients. Biogen Chief Executive Michel Vounatsos celebrated the win in a written statement. This historic moment is the culmination of more than a decade of groundbreaking research in the complex field of Alzheimer's disease, he said. We believe this first-in-class medicine will transform the treatment of people living with Alzheimer's disease and spark continuous innovation in the years to come. In a follow-up release, Biogen said Aduhelm would go for $56,000 annually. That's the wholesale acquisition price, not the price a patient pays. Beta-amyloid is an older theory. The beta-amyloid approach is one of the oldest theories in Alzheimer's disease. It also has some high-profile failures, including Biogen's. In early 2019, Biogen said Aducanumab failed to show a benefit in the 2 phase 3 tests known as Engage and Emerge. Biogen stock lost a third of its value then. Months later, the company, and Biogen stock, reversed course. Biogen said the Emerge study actually succeeded. That was based on an ad hoc analysis the FDA helped complete.